Well, just picked up a small load from one of my neighbors. I put an ad up and they said that they had some stuff for me, so I went and grabbed it. Let's see what we got. So first machine on the tailgate is this Husqvarna big wheeled trimmer, and it's got one of these fancy Briggs just check an ad, never change the oil engines. That's bull, don't believe that. It's got compression, most likely the carburetor's dirty. It's the new style, so that's just going to take the jets to be cleaned. It's got gas in it, smells fresh. So second machine is the Craftsman version of this same unit. Same sized engine. This one's a 2011, so it's 5 years older, but it's got the same trimmer head on it. Probably just needs a carb cleaning, probably a rebuild. It's got gas in it and it smells stale. She did say that her son tried to fix some of this stuff, missing the screw, and it's like the spring's been tampered with a bit, but that's fixable. Last thing on the list is this Craftsman Easy Start. I've had I don't know how many of these come through my hands. Still got the key start on it, but it's missing cables, all kinds of things. They've got the redneck method here of killing the magneto. They told me that they were using this one for clearing brush, and it definitely appears that way. So this is clearly a beater lawnmower. We could probably get it running again, but it's probably not going to be worth all that much. I might be able to get 50 or 60 bucks for it. I'll end up doing the weight reduction modification I've done to these and remove the electric starter, remove the battery, remove the wiring for it, and then send it on its way.